Hey learners, my name is Nitish and in this video I am going to show you installing editor. So as I told you, I will be using a code editor which will make our life easier while writing the code. So for the code editor, I am going to use VS Code. There are lots of reason to use VS Code. First of all, it's free, and after that it's open source. So the combination of free and open source is always best, so that's why I am going to use this one. There are other options also which are paid. You need to pay or you need to buy the subscription. So as I am a student, I am not going to buy any subscription for now, but if you can afford any subscription, definitely you can go with some other options also. But remember that VS Code is one of the best editor. After all, it's free, then also it is one of the best solution. So there is no need to pay for any other editor until and unless you do not find any specific reason. So it's cross platform. It is available on all three major operating system: Mac, Windows, Linux. It's extensible and highly customizable. Once you will see the VS Code, there are lots of extensions and there are lots of things which you can customize easily in VS Code. And after that, almost all kind of developer are using VS Code nowadays, and there are some developer which are not using VS Code. Those are like Android developer, native Android developer or native iOS developer. They are using Android Studio or Xcode basically. So they are not using. After that, almost all the developer are using VS Code. So let's see how we can use VS Code. So let's open the Google and search for VS Code, and this is the website. So let me show you the website. So the website name is code.visualstudio.com. When you will go to this website, it will automatically detect your operating system and it will say download for your operating system. In my case it's Mac, but when you will click on this arrow, you will see that there are three more options like Mac OS, Windows and Linux. So based on your operating system you can download. So I am on Mac now, so I will download this one. So when you will click on that, the download will be started and the size of VS Code is around 83 MB. So once the VS Code is downloaded, you can go to this downloads, click on show in Finder. You will find a zip file. Double click on it. So now you can see that here is our Visual Studio Code. So now what we need to do, we just need to drag this and drop it into applications. That's it. And when you will try to open this, it will give you a warning: Visual Studio Code cannot be opened because Apple cannot check it for malicious software. So for this you need to go to Apple menu, system preferences, and after that let me zoom in so that you can read it. Security and privacy, click on this, go to general. Here are four different tab. You have to go to the general, and after that you just have to click here, open anyway. So let me zoom out, open anyway, and you are getting this. So just click on open. That's it. So now you are not going to get this warning anymore. Whenever you will double click on VS Code, it will open it. So let's close it and let's go to launchpad. When you will go to launchpad, you can see Visual Studio Code. You can open from here. You can open it from Spotlight also by writing VS Code. So I think that's cool. So now you have installed VS Code successfully. In the next video, I am going to walk you through Hello World program. Thank you.